Happy holidays! This is Hetty, and what I'm going to make for you today is a holiday cocktail. Now, what I have here is, this is simple syrup. What I did was I took a cup and a half of water, a half a cup of sugar, and 2 cinnamon sticks, and I boiled it in some water. I took it out after it boiled, and I put it to the side and let it cool, and then put it in the refrigerator for a little while. And this is the result. I have 2 ounces of it. I made a little bit more, of course. This is 2 ounces of bourbon. I used Maker's Mark, a tablespoon or a half a lemon of lemon juice, a lemon rind, and some ice here. What I'm going to do is take all of these ingredients and mix them up. So what I have here is the simple syrup. This is 2 ounces of apple cider, 2 ounces of the bourbon, and a tablespoon of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. And so I'm going to mix this up, put the cinnamon stick in the glass here with the lemon rind. And I'm going to pour this into this rock glass. Happy holidays. That's good. Hope you have a wonderful holiday. Until next time.